Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Billie Eilish. Early life and musical beginnings. Billie Eilish Pirate Baird O'Connell, better known as Billie Eilish, was born on December 18, 2001, in Los Angeles, California. Growing up in a creative environment, she was raised by her parents, Maggie Baird and Patrick O'Connell, both of whom were actors. This artistic background helped shape her love for music and performance. Billie was homeschooled along with her older brother, Finneas. This arrangement allowed them to explore their interests freely without the constraints of a traditional school setting. From a young age, Billie showed a keen interest in music. She started playing the ukulele at just 6 years old, learning songs and experimenting with her own melodies. By 8, she had joined the Los Angeles Children's Chorus, where she refined her vocal skills and learned about music theory and performance. Billie's early exposure to music and performance laid a strong foundation for her future career. Rise to fame. Billie's big break came in 2015 when she and Finneas uploaded their song Ocean Eyes to SoundCloud. Originally written by Finneas for his band, the song highlighted Billie's beautiful voice and quickly became popular. In 2016, she signed with Darkroom and Interscope Records, marking the official start of her music career. In August 2017, Billie released her first EP, Don't Smile at Me, which included popular tracks such as Bellyache, I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore, and My Boy. The EP was well received by critics and fans, establishing her as a rising star in the pop and alternative music scenes. The songs showcased her unique style, characterized by dark themes and catchy melodies, often reflecting her personal experiences and emotions. Major accomplishments. Billie's debut studio album, When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go?, was released in March 2019. The album debuted at number 1 on the Billboard 200 and featured major hits like Bad Guy and When the Party's Over. The success of this album solidified Billie's status as a global superstar. At the 2020 Grammy Awards, she made history by becoming the youngest artist to sweep the major categories. She won Album of the Year, Record of the Year, Song of the Year, and Best New Artist. This achievement highlighted her exceptional talent and the impact she had made in a short period. In February 2020, Billie reached another milestone by becoming the youngest artist to write and record a James Bond theme song, titled No Time to Die. The song was well received, and it won an Academy Award for Best Original Song in 2022, further establishing her as a multi-talented artist. Advocacy and personal struggles. Billie has been open about her struggles with mental health, including a diagnosis of Tourette syndrome. In November 2018, she revealed that she had been diagnosed with this neurological condition, which causes involuntary movements and vocal tics. She has talked about her experiences with anxiety and depression, raising awareness about these issues. Billie's honesty about her mental health challenges has resonated with many fans, fostering a sense of community and support. Additionally, Billie is a passionate advocate for environmental issues. She has spoken out about climate change and encourages her fans to act. In 2019, she collaborated with actor Woody Harrelson in a video highlighting the dangers of climate change. She has also urged her fans to register to vote and participate in elections, emphasizing the importance of civic engagement. In November 2024, during a concert, she took a moment to encourage attendees to vote for Kamala Harris in the presidential election. This act showcased her commitment to social issues. Fashion and cultural impact. Billie's fashion sense is another aspect of her public persona. Known for her oversized clothing, she uses fashion to express herself and challenge traditional beauty standards. In early 2018, she launched her online merchandise line, Blush, which features her unique designs. Billie has also collaborated with various fashion brands, further establishing her influence in the fashion world. As of November 2024, Billie Eilish's estimated net worth is around $50 million. With her distinctive voice and powerful lyrics, Billie continues to evolve as an artist and remains a significant figure in the music industry. Her authenticity, creativity, and deep connection with her audience have made her an inspiration to many, and she shows no signs of slowing down in her career. Billie Eilish is not just a musician, she is a voice for her generation, using her art to express her truths and advocate for change.